Recording a sales entry in TelePrime involves accurately documenting the sale of goods or services in your accounting system. Here's a concise guide. Access TelePrime. Open TelePrime and select the company for which you want to record the sales entry. Navigate to Vouchers. Go to the gateway of Tele and select Accounting Vouchers. Select Sales Voucher Type. Choose the appropriate sales voucher type based on your transaction, such as sales or sales with inventory. Date and party details. Enter the date of the sale and select the customer from the list. Fill in relevant details like buyer's name, address, and GSTIN if applicable. Item details. Specify the items sold, their quantities, rates, and tax details. Use the stock items defined in your Tele company. Taxation details. Include GST or other taxes as required. Tele will automatically calculate the tax amount based on the tax rates and configurations. Additional costs. Add any additional costs like freight, packaging, or discounts if applicable. Narration. If necessary, provide a brief narration to explain the transaction. Save. Review the entered information and save the voucher. Allocate payment. If the customer is paying immediately, you can allocate the received payment against the sales entry. Print invoice. Optionally, you can print the sales invoice for your records or to provide a copy to the customer. Reports. Tele provides various reports to analyze sales, outstanding payments, and more.